So I pay for taking the matter as an unlisted today, my lord.
No, not
Possible.
today. Not today.
Then Monday, my lord.
What is the punishment?
Punishment will be, my lord,
Above 7 years or below 7 years?
uh, up to 7 years.
No, not before this. You will have to mention before code number 20.
Lordship, this is my lord motion matter, criminal petition, earlier listed on 10/11/2025, but I could not attend it. Matter will be taken up on Monday,
Monday, fine. On next Monday, 15 December.
next Monday. Huh?
15 December.
May please lordship the item number 23 and 24 lordship in court number
Item number,
for listing on the
no, matters of death court have not come up before this court. Only deferred.
May please, your lordship.
Matters of death court has not come up before this court.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of numbers of revision petition, lordship, other on earlier occasion, your lordship was pleased to hear the matter, but on that day the respondent did not appear, so order could not be passed. Subsequently, the matter come up before another court, and that court has directed to list the matter before the appropriate time. Until then, the matter has not been listed.
Ordered?
Not ordered, but lordship has already heard the matter in entirety.
What
But-
kind of?
Lordship, next week, lordship, possible, lordship, on Thursday, lordship.
On 15 December.
Maybe your lordship.
Hmm.
I paid for listing a VA already listed in court number 14, Monday, your lordship. VA, your lordship.
What is the punishment? No, code number 14.
14 matter already listed, your lordship. 14, 19. Mention I giving you, Monday. And another criminal petition, any date before vacation, your lordship. 7th. Bless.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to make to criminal appeal, my lord, to come up for hearing, my lord, on 11th December. My lord, these two matter, last time 26th August was listed, and one is on 7th August was listed. But respondent has second time, and one is deferred by the
No,
court.
you
My lord.
cannot take up hearing already.
My lord, any other day
Last
before,
two,
before the
no,
patient-
next year. Last 2 weeks are already for fixed for motion. Next year. First week, 6 January.
Awesome.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention a bail application lordship in special act lordship on Monday lordship.
Not on Monday. 15 December.
Lordship is behind our last 6 month lordship.
Especially which section?
Postcode 6.
Fine, here. 12 December.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19, your lordship.
Hmm.
With the consent of the other side, your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, in item number 19, Learned Senior Counsel K.N. Chaudhary is appearing, your lordship.
Hmm.
Yes, some personal difficulty today, your lordship.
Item number 19.
Item number 19, Lordship.
For the petitioner.
for the petition, your lordship.
Your name?
D. Chetri, your lordship.
D. Chetri. Learned Counsel Mr. D. Chetri on behalf of Learned Senior Counsel Mr. K.N. Chaudhary representing the respondent,
K.N. Chaudhary is representing the petitioner here.
representing the, but S.K. Jain's name is in the cause list.
Yes, your lordship.
With the consent, represent the petitioner with the consent of the other side.
Consent, yes.
Has paid for adjournment, list the matter immediately after the winter
You
vacation.
know, on 16th if possible, your lordship.
Yes.
Oblige the.
May I
But-
presume?
Lordship, there's one thing. The CD and charge sheet was called for in this matter, your lordship.
Mm.
On the office note dated 3/12 shows that it's not yet received. That may be again.
Issue reminder to forward the
90
uh case diary.
case diary and charge sheet.
It will come along with the case diary.
Yes. Much
May I
better.
please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing criminal petition, my lord, any date before vacation, my lord. Okay.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of criminal petition. It was last listed on September, but the matter was left out. And meanwhile, we have filed one IA also, and the code below the date is 11. So any date before 11, lordship, probably on 10 if possible.
Not on 10. 15 December.
11 also won't be possible. 15.
You give the filing, copy of the filing slip before the court below. Along with a petition for adjournment.
Public.
We used to allow, whenever they used to send a filing slip and pray for adjournment that matter is listed
The matter is
to be
for
listed in the High Court.
at evidence stage.
As a lower court judge, we used to allow.
Obliged.
They'll also allow.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for listing on cases, Your Lordship, the case of court number 14, Your Lordship. So Monday maybe, okay, I will provide you. Lordship. Otherwise, may 87 days today, Your Lordship. Monday will 90 days, Your Lordship. So Monday is, okay, Masapo.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing to regular bail application, Lordship. Today is listed before court number 14, Lordship. Monday.
Regular bail application.
Yes.
Court number 14, in her absence, how can I fix all the matters on Monday? Section regular date. That was for 90 days was about to be over, that is why. I have listed it on Monday. I've got it listed on Monday, not all cases. Huh?
52 days in past to Lordship.
His 90 days will be over on before Monday. That is why I have got it listed on Monday.
May be, Your Lordship, for listing of a criminal petition on Wednesday, since the matter has been listed before the court of 14, so I pray before the Honorable Court to list the matter on Wednesday also for admission.
May I please? We have filed in bail application on yesterday, Lordship. Praying for listed on Monday, Lordship.
Before this court,
Before this,
what is the period, what is the imprisonment?
Lordship.
Length of imprisonment?
No, Lordship, not regular bail, anticipatory bail application, Lordship. Entire family has been implicated.
Oh, even then, punishment, length of punishment?
Anticipatory bail application,
I understand.
7 years.
Up to 7 years. We'll have to rush to court number 20. 22. We'll have to rush to court number 22.
Your Lordship. Sir, I beg to mention item number 17 of court number 14. There is an interim order, but
All the matters have been deferred. I can.
interim till then, so I.
No. Matters have been deferred. There's a order, by order from the Chief Justice.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, for listing of criminal petition for orders, Lordship, next week if possible. Lordship.
For orders?
Orders, Lordship.
In January. Immediately after January, after vacation. Date of the video. 5th January.
May I please, Your Lordship? Red petition criminal, I'm praying for listing, my lord, any day.
On 7th of January.
May I, Lordship? Your Honor, item number 5 was fixed on court number 14, which has been deferred. So I'm praying before Your Lordship to fix on the Monday, the same please.
Cannot. Have you seen the circular? All the matters have been deferred.
Yes, Your Lordship. So kindly provide.
6 matters have been deferred. All mention memo.
Give us the next date.
I cannot. You mention memo.
May it please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for a listing criminal petition revision. Lordship, matter may be listed next week any date.
6 January.
May it please,
Six
Your Lordship.
January.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing criminal petition, my lord. I am praying on 10th, my lord, 10th of this. Next,
Not on 10th.
10 or 12, my lord, 10.
17 December.
7,
Motion for motion.
admission, my lord.
Admission.
15, my lord, 15.
No, not on 15th.
7th. I'm.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lord, I beg to mention for listing of a criminal revision petition Lord, on any date before vacation. It is for admission, my lord.
I won't leave, you see.
It is for
If
admission, my lord.
vacation, if 100 cases come up every day, then I'll really go on leave.
Or on any date, my lord, if possible, my lord.
I promise you I'll go on leave. On 7th January.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, this is a fresh matter. It relates to a DV case. And the summons have been issued to my clients and it is listed on Thursday. If Your Lordship would kindly allow us to list it on Monday or Tuesday. Either Monday.
What is the
They have been
offense?
issued. Summons have been issued.
Punishment of the offense, 7 years, below 7
Below.
years. We'll have to rush to court number 22, Nekima. Court number, please rush.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7. Lordship, I'm seeking for adjournment as my senior is out of station. May I kindly?
Learned Counsel, Miss
L.
Yeah.
Tongar.
M.
L. Tongar.
नाम के लिखे हुए हैं. On behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr. A. Lal
A. Lal.
has prayed for adjournment. When you want,
After 1 week.
this is the matter after 1 week.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 25. As per my knowledge, report was called for that is not available today. Item 25.
Reporters call, reporters call for is not received, we should reminder list the matter after vacation, immediately after winter vacation.
Can a date be fixed, Lordship?
Date that people buy.
Obliged, Lordship.
May please your lordship,
Mm.
lordship, item 34 in orders section, I am seeking for an upgradation lordship because the case in the lower court also is fixed today for the appearance of the petitioner today. So as per the outcome of this present case, we'll find an appropriate petition there. So humble prayer before this honorable court
34 at 2.
at 2.
Mm.
What's up?
May I please?
Mm.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing one regular bail application, well, it is listed before the court number 14, but it is deferred, my lord, unfortunately. Two ladies, my lord, on Monday, my lord. A regular bail application.
Today it is deferred.
Yes, my lord. Court number 14, item 25, my lord. It may be listed on Monday, my lord. Because petitioners are women,
Not Monday, you see, I have fixed many dates.
then
on Monday.
Tuesday, the Tuesday, Didi boli.
Fine, no. তাকে
Bail hearing
কিন্তু
Bail
হেভি
hearing.
কৰি দিলে বেয়া হ'ব ন তেওঁৰ কাৰণেও on Tuesday.
Obliged. Highly obliged.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing one of criminal petition any date. 9 January.
May it please your Lordship, I'd like to mention listing of a criminal petition, your Lordship. Last it was posted on September and it was directed to be listed after 2 weeks since the matter has not been listed, your Lordship. Can it be on 17th of this month, your Lordship?
6 January.
17th of this month, your Lordship.
At which stage?
Sorry?
At which stage?
Admission stage, your Lordship.
6 January. Because 17 will be all these cases will be fixed for motion only.
Lordship, as the matter pertains to Zimma of cash, your Lordship. As the petitioner is
6 January, don't worry, 6 January. Cash, how long the cash has been in the treasury?
Lordship,
In the seized.
yes, your Lordship.
When was the cash seized?
Lordship, since the matter is 2020, it has already been seized for already like 6-7 months, your Lordship now.
6 January will be fine.
Obliged, your Lordship.
Wait, please.
Mm.
This is an appeal against conviction, madam. Now we have an IA for the bail. Now we have bail till 15. So madam, any date before 15, madam.
No, to convict, appeal or order.
Any
of
date
action.
before 15. 12, please. Obliged, madam.
No, please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention for listing of an IA criminal, Your Honor, it was last listed on April in the month. And it may be fixed any date next week if possible for orders, Your Honor. Yes. And similar other one criminal list petition, it was listed on 18 both.
Lordship, photo number 22 is not sitting this week. If it would be
কিন্তু order দিব লাগিব তেতিয়া
22 is
22
not
বহা নাই
sitting. So this is the DV Act. It's a DV Act, my lord.
তেওঁ নাজানিব পাৰে
It's for motion, lordship.
Court number 24 and 25.
It's for motion, lordship. Can we not?
I cannot allow. You have to go to the appropriate court. 24 or 25, দুটা হ'ব।
May please your lordship. Allow this matter to be listed before Honorable Justice M. Thakuria. That court is not sitting. The bench assistant of that court.
10 December.
My
10
lord,
December.
my lord,
Because we have fixed many cases on 8 and 9, so 10
my
December.
lord, it's a second bail application to be listed before that court.
Yes, yes. Oh, okay.
It may be
You
on,
have to give a mention memo. You see, I'll show you the circular. You see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
circular, we cannot allow. Just check the circular. We cannot allow. All has been, all the matters have been deferred by order of the Chief Justice. I cannot allow, sorry.
But my case has been resulted in final report.
Your money has been seized, no?
Because the
You
money has,
wanted earlier, on an earlier date.
because final report has been submitted.
There is a detail.
17 to 18 ton Romia.
Lordship, item 34 at 2, it was fixed. Lordship, as per last order, scan copy of LCR was called. So it is not in the cause list and it is not tagged with the case record. But LCR is reached today morning. Requisition may be allowed.
Sorry?
requisition of the uh,
Yes.
oblige.
May I, Lordship? Your Lordship, item number 5 of code number 14, which has been deferred already. I'm giving a mention memo. Kindly fix a date. Not rejected. Item number 5, it was list. I'm giving a mention. Give it.
Yes, 11 December.
May it please your Lordship, similarly same deferred matter out, code number 14. Oblige file. Yes, yes.
Item number 1.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, this is an pre-arrest bail application, lordship. Lordship, FIR is at page number 10, lordship. The translated one, it is most respectfully states that on 12/10/25 in the evening at around so and so, when my husband, namely Manoj Chotia, went shopping at a shop of Sri Sukhidhar Gogoi at Nopam village after arriving from Dhemaji town. The accused person with an intention to kill her husband, attacked with a dao and escaped from the place for which her husband sustained grievous injuries. Accordingly, her husband was
Yes,
taken
yes,
to
we'll
the
call for the CD.
CD, ma'am.
lordship.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Lordship, the way
Dow, attack with a Dow. Call for the CD along.
the
with
thou
this
not
medical-
belongs to me, lordship. Lordship, the
we will take the CD and then we will hear you.
lordship, I have two kids, minor kids, and my wife.
You are
will-
arrested. We'll give you a short date.
Lordship, I have paid around 70,000 rupees to the victim also. There was no criminal intent.
I understand. The day you submit. 16 December. Call
CD
for
may
the
not
CD
come.
is the matter on her.
CD may not come also. It's from Dhemaji, lordship. It's winter season, lordship. And I have lost my parents during my childhood,
60
lordship.
today is 11 days. If it won't come, then we will consider your interim period.
Lordship.
Item 2.
Here the petitioner was not named in the FIR, Your Honor. FIR is in page 10. His brother was suspected of depositing huge amount, and therefore he was being arrested and forwarded. All the items were seized from the brother, but because he is the brother of the arrested accused person, he was being searched by the police. So he is working in a consumer service point of SBI in Batomari. So some protection may be given. He will available before
Yes,
the
yes. PP.
My lord, your lordship will find, my lord, from page 10, my lord. It's very clear, my lord, he has unaccounted money. He has gone to once, he is gone to, my lord, deposit some amount. Thereafter, again, my lord, his house was raided, and again, more than 8 lakhs, with 18 numbers of ATMs were found, my lord. Let the CD come for, my lord.
He is the Imdad Parvez, brother of the petitioner. But this
Anyway-
petitioner was not named in the FIR.
Anyway, my lord.
But that,
Call for the CD, we'll need the CD.
but some protection may be given. He is working in the SBS CSP point,
CD from which place?
Nagaon.
Short date of the rejection. Call for the CD. 15 December. This is the matter on 15 December. Item 3.
In this case, father-in-law, mother-in-law, and husband is implicated in this case, Lordship. FIR is at page 9, Lordship. There is specific allegation against the father-in-law, Krishnapur 1, Lordship.
Mother-in-law is Zakir Hussain.
Zakir Hussain, Lordship.
Mother-in-law is Aisha Khatun.
Aisha Khatun and Jahangir Alam is the husband, Lordship. The specific allegation is against the father-in-law, Lordship.
CD. Call for the CD, list the matter on 17 December. 17 December. Item 4.
May I plead the lordships? Lordship, kindly peruse the FIR, page 10. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Most respectfully, I hereby submit that yesterday on 23/10/2025 as around 5:36 in the evening, while going to the immense the Kali Puja idol at this Devotar Hatda Part 2, the above mentioned accused person, having taken previous enmity, Lordship kindly peruse, previous enmity, in a pre-planned manner, coming to the iron rods in hand on the road in front of the accused person's house with the intention to kill my younger brother, Deepak Roy, 38 years, struck him on the head with an iron rod and broke his skull. As a result, my brother became seriously injured. When Prasenjit Roy, Subham Shankar Malakar came to help my brother, the accused persons also assaulted them and caused grievous injuries. As a result, have causing severe injuries in the head of Prasenjit Roy, and Subhankar Malakar also sustained injuries on his body.
CD.
No, my lord.
I'll-
Lordship kindly peruse. No, my lord. I have a submission, my lord. Because Lordship kindly peruse the, I mean to say, page 19, my lord. Injuries are simple in nature.
Okay,
Lordship
please read
kindly-
the order of the session judge. Please read the order of the session judge.
Yes, my lord. Annexer, page 18. This is a bail petition filed 482 of the BNS Act, praying for granting periodic bail to the accused person, namely Kankan Roy, Pulin Chandra Roy, Amulya Basani, Ulla Bala Roy, and Pompey Roy. Then, Lordship, on mere perusal of that file, it appears that on 24/10/2025, the Azhar was lost by Kamal Chandra Roy, alleging that on 23/10/2025 at about 5:36
Just a
PM.
moment, just a moment. You see, he has
And my lord,
received,
similarly situated person has already been got bail.
he has received simple injuries on his head.
Yes,
Head.
my lord. Head only injuries.
And then
Injuries
there
are simple in
there
nature.
is threatening also from their side. Only next week, otherwise I'll grant you interim.
My lord, the petitioner number 1 is only 65 years. He is an old person, my lord.
65 years. How can 65 years be old person?
And similarly
Nowadays-
situated person, my lord, same FIR, they got bail, my lord.
So many.
Call for, in the meantime, I maybe go for interim, my lord.
Next week. If CD doesn't come, I'll give you granting
Yes,
interim
yes.
protection next week. Call for a CD along with the injury report, list the matter on 16th December.
Highly obliged.
Item 5.
May please, your lordship, this is clearest bail application, lordship. Lordship, allegations are 303 subsection 2 and 317 subsection 2 of BNS. Lordship, kindly see the page number 12, which is FIR page, lordship. Lordship, I would like to report that on 8/10/25 at around 7 PM, source information was received that 2 trucks bearing registration number so and so were illegally parked at Brahmaputra Industrial Park, Gauripur, and the same contained illegal shipment of items suspected to be stolen and transported in a.
It's okay, instead of reading the FIR, please read the order of the session judge.
Yes, lordship.
Page 15.
Lordship, additional session judge rejected this case
You
after
have to read
receiving
the
the
order.
CD, lordship.
Page 17, para 7, lordship, of 34.
Page 4. Lordship.
Okay, let us call for the CD.
Lordship,
We are not
the-
rejecting the
lordship-
bill.
Lordship, we are the owner of the vehicle, lordship, and we are,
It's okay, we will call for the
and we are-
CD. You could not produce documents then.
lordship, we are not legally bound to produce the.
We will consider your prayer, even if the CD doesn't come and next date we will consider the
Lordship, we
prayer.
may be allowed to go on interim by lordship today.
No, we'll consider, I'm
We are
saying,
the owner,
on the next
lordship.
date, give me a date, one date at least, give me one date. We'll consider your prayer.
Lordship, kindly give a short date, lordship.
Yeah, take a minute.
A short date, then CD won't turn up. What is the Thana?
Chansari PS. Lordship, they are by.
Dibopai. Okay, short date, yes. Call for the CD, list the matter on.
Hello, blood pressure.
I can see.
Made legal option. Lordship, here petitioner, he is the earlier president of the school managing committee, my lord. And the respondent number, he was the earlier headmaster of the particular school, my lord. Here, my lord, there is some dispute between the lady teacher and the headmaster of the
You have
school.
filed an affidavit.
My lord, I filed it, my lord. That is on record, my lord.
No affidavit here.
Na school, no, that would be anything. But it has clear. And my lord, other petitioner also, they filed this petition, my lord. The proceeding is state, my lord. There are-
You want the entire proceeding, what is, this case is pending at which stage?
My lord, for the evidence, my lord, initial stage, my lord, notice
Initial
issued, my
stage.
lord. yeah.
Charges have been framed,
No, my lord, not yet.
charges have not been.
Because, my lord, due to the stay of the other petitioner, my lord, they have filed the petition and they are proceeding stay, my lord, in respect of them, my lord.
Other petition.
Other petitioner, my lord, that two order is there, my lord. Criminal petition 113323.
Oh, please read the FIR, what is the allegation against you?
No, my lord, this is CR case, my lord, not.
I know. Oh, CR case, okay,
CR
complaint
case,
petition.
CR case.
Complaint petition, what is the
My lord.
allegation against?
It is in page number 23, my lord. And
you?
there is very small allegation. Page number 32, my lord, is particular person, my lord. In the same cause of action, my lord, he filed in civil case also, my lord. That is also pending, my lord.
No, please read the complaint petition.
My lord.
You are asking for interim stay, isn't it?
My lord.
That is why you please read the complaint petition.
My lord. May I read the, my lord, relevant portion or the entire petition, my lord?
Entire portion.
Entire.
I want to know the entire story.
My lord.
Otherwise, you can sit down, I'll read it.
No, my lord, I can read it. I can.
Page 29.
My lord, starting from page number 23, my lord.
29.
And
29.
27. 27, my lord. The complainant of the above mentioned cases
29.
humbly stated that he is the permanent resident of the so-and-so address, profession is in irrespective of teachers and also associated with the various institutions as well as non-person. The relatives of the complainant also the respected person. Presently, complainant is serving as the headmaster of the Dakshin Kamrup High School. In the above complaint, accused number 1 is the president. Accused number 1, that means I am, my lord, the president of the managing committee of the Dakshin Kamrup High School, and accused number 2 is his sister. She is my sister, she is teacher, my lord. From the accused number 2 to accused number 9, all the assistant teacher of the state school. The complainant got associated with the Dakshin Kamrup High School as an assistant teacher with effect from 12/5/1992 and finally take over the charges of the headmaster in 2027. During the said period of the complainant served in his profession without any inconvenience or allegation. After taking charges as the headmaster, he took notice of the several irregularities on the school as a result, which the president and his sister as well as the other accused had conspiracy to remove or either transfer the complainant. After taking charges of the headmaster of the complainant examined the school record and came to know that accused number 3, that is Nimali Devi Bora, she is the another teacher, was pursuing B.Ed course from R. Sohoria Teachers Training College from September 2013 to 2014. During this the said period, she did not obtain the leave permission from the school. In that said period, she fraudulently embezzled the government salaries. While the matter was asked to her, she failed to pass a reason reply, and as such matter has forwarded to the Director of Secondary Education Council Board Kahlipara for investigation. Several other irregularities came to the notice of the headmaster, and as such accused number 1 and other accused jointly brought false allegation against the complainant and also obtained transfer order of the complainant because they are good relation with some politician. However, the said transfer order has set aside by this Honorable Guwahati High Court and restored the original position of the complainant. Being failed to the conspiracy, all the accused jointly tried to defame the complainant and as such, Gokul Bora, he is another assistant teacher, my lord. Did the school hide the school register and midday meal register and file the false complaint against the complainant stating that the complainant took away their midday meal registered by the breaking of the school almirah. However, upon investigation, the investigation authority find out that the complaint was false and fabricated and accordingly.
You're Nirav Saikia.
I'm Nirav Saikia, madam.
Why you are referred as she? You're a woman or a man?
No, this is in regards to the other teacher, madam. This allegation of the
No, that
birth certificate.
this is the complaint against you. Complaint case number 34 of 2021.
No, it's against my lord 9 teachers, madam, including the 7 lady teachers, 1 male
Yes,
teacher.
9 teachers but you are Nirav Saikia, no?
I'm the Nirav Saikia, madam.
So yes, okay, you are a woman or a man?
No, I'm the man, my lord.
Then why are you referred as she in the complaint?
The complaint took away the midday meal of
The accused number 2 is his sister,
sister, yes.
but you are a man.
I'm the man, madam.
Okay, yes, I think can be granted.
Lordship,
Interim stay can be granted, I think.
so far as his,
Only Nirav Saikia is concerned.
Right.
He is referred as sister also,
yes,
not even brother.
no. Anyway, it's a complaint case, my notice has to go, my adjournment.
Basically, that teacher is also not there in this.
Granting interim protection. Third learned counsel, Mr.
P. Saikia.
P. Saikia, the petitioner Nirav Saikia, who has filed this application under section 482 of the. You have to file it under section 528, 2024,
2024.
February 2024, that,
I filed in February, but listed thereafter one occasion it has listed.
when was this amendment? When was the
Amendment
BNS
2025,
notified?
from July.
July, na? ठीक है, ऐसे जुलाई हलो. You filed in the month of February, no?
Right, my lord, right.
So why you were not granted stay in all these?
No, my lord, because I have
years?
not enclosed the last order, my lord. Last order of the proceeding, my lord, I have not enclosed. Therefore, court has directed to file it. But as per the honorable court order, I filed the additional application.
Third learned counsel, Mr. P. Saikia, who has filed this, P. Saikia for the petitioner Nirav Saikia, who has filed this application under sections 482 of the CRPC with way for quashing the court proceeding of the complaint case number 34/2001 pending before the learned judicial magistrate first class Nagaon. It is submitted that this case is at the stage of trial and charges are yet to be framed. It is further submitted that a false case has been initiated against the complainant and a petitioner, false case has been initiated against the petitioner by the complainant who himself is involved in criminal cases brought up against him. It is submitted that the false allegation against the complainant has been brought up by the present petitioner in connivance with other accused persons. Who stop the role attributed to the present petitioner is that when the complainant took action against a teacher, Nirmali Devi, for fraudulently accepting her salary during her study leave. The present petitioner hatched up a conspiracy along with all the other teachers. The present petitioner was involved in hatching up a conspiracy against the complainant in connivance with all the teachers who are named as accused in the present FIR, present complaint petition. Heard Mr. M.P. Goswami learned additional CP Assam for the respondent.
Two.
Number 2,
None.
full stop. Issue notice to the respondent number 1.
One.
The learner returnable within 4 weeks. The learner additional PP has accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 2, and thus no following notice is required to be issued. Stop. Extra copies to be furnished. Stop. Call for the scanned copies of the trial court records of CR case number 34 of 2021. It appears that there are sufficient grounds to state a proceeding against the present petitioner, and thereby the proceedings of the aforementioned CR case is stayed till the next date of listing. List after 4 weeks.
Massively.
Item number 8. May I please your lordship? Now, the respondent number 1, she has initiated proceedings under section 12 of the DV Act. We both have appeared before the learned trial court, and the learned trial court below directed both the parties to declare the assets and liabilities on affidavit. Both the parties have declared their assets and liabilities over affidavit. The respondent has suppressed her income, has filed a false affidavit claiming that she has no income. Page 97. Page 97.
Okay. Which?
Page 97.
This final order has been passed.
No, no, no. It's an interim relief which has been passed.
Okay.
That
DV
is, both
case.
the parties have been directed to file, to declare the assets
DV
and
case.
DV case, domestic violence.
Any order against domestic violence act, it has to be an appeal, not revision petition.
Appeal has been passed, that is, appeal judgment has also been passed.
Okay.
Then I have,
After the appeal.
after the appeal, I'm before the honorable court. Now, Your Honor, that is, the direction was given by the learned trial court to file, declare the assets and liabilities over affidavit. Both the parties have declared. But the respondent has suppressed her income and has filed a false affidavit.
Why didn't you take this plea in the session?
I've already taken, I'm coming to that. I've already taken because that has not been taken note of. That's why I'm before the honorable court. Page 97. Para 7, she declares that is whether assessed to income tax. If yes, submit copies of income tax returns. She says no.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Complaint petition matter, but page 16 is the order matter which says it matter. As per the matter, opinion of the matter, JMFC matter, the materials to proceed. After getting the witnesses recorded matter, they were sent notices. Page 16, your Rosime kindly see. second, third para.
Okay, we'll call for the scan copies of the records.
Lordship.
We'll issue notice. I'm not staying.
Lordship can come to page 32, Lordship. I have filed a case at Kota, Rajasthan.
I
There,
know.
there are two transactions, Lordship.
Understand.
There are two transactions.
Sir, you have filed a case. It is in the complaint also that we have filed a case. We'll issue notice and then we won't hear the parties, let the records come.
But Lordship, the coordinate bench of this honorable court in the case of Syam Harlalka, there's a judgment.
Done. একটু order दिया ना आधा.
Lordship, page 7, para 19, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, may I read?
Mm.
The Lordship, line number 6, but in the instant matter in hand is quite different where the correspondent has instituted of reverting the case of complaint petitioner has lodged different case on the same admitted documents on same cause of action. So the matter is required to be dealt with accordingly. As we find the petitioner herein lodged the complaint under 138 NI Act claiming the check amount from the opposite party as per the due procedure, and the respondent who admitted about the issuance of such check and also raised objection about certain amount in books of accounts, etc., and lost the case under section 420 IPC. The respondent was, however, at liberty to raise such defense in the NI Act case to rebut the case of the complainant that the said check was issued not against any liability but as a security purpose, and also all other pleas regarding maintenance of books of accounts, etc. Lordship, there is one more observation, Lordship. Until
This
unless
is not interim order, final order.
this is a final order, Lordship. Lordship,
I will give you a final order.
Lordship, but in the meantime, I am the resident of Rajasthan. I will have to come down to Guwahati on each and every day, Lordship.
No, why do you have to come down?
Lord, matter is at the step of appearance, Lordship. A
No, you
warrant
don't
has been
have to-
issued.
You can pray for representation also.
Lordship, warrant has been
Dispensation of
issued.
appearance, you can pray. That is NI case, 420 case.
This is a case of 406, Lordship.
There also you can pray for dispensation of appearance.
Lordship,
You don't have
warrant
to
has been
come
issued
down.
against me, Lordship.
Only one day you have to come down. You are always coming down for business, trading spices.
I have distributor here, Lordship. I don't come down here to do the business. Lordship, in the interim, Lordship, interim protection till the next date, Lordship. Lordship, this is a case where the malicious proceeding has been instituted
No.
against me, Lordship.
Both have launched malicious proceedings against each other. Why don't you settle the dispute?
Lordship, there are two different transactions. If Lordship has gone through the record,
I
Lordship,
have seen. There are two different.
there was one
transactions.
commercial
Why
transaction.
don't you settle the dispute? Should I refer it
I
to
have-
mediation?
I have paid the amount to them. That case that they filed has been withdrawn because I have paid the amount. But the case that I have filed, they instead of settling it out, they have filed the case under 406 against me. Just to harass me, Lordship. Lordship, you can see the moment I received the process from the court, I made payment of the check amount. And after receipt of the amount, they have withdrawn their case. But regarding my case, they instead of settling it out, they have filed a case of 406 against me.
Where is that order of withdrawal?
Lordship, there's a government, Lordship, but the case has been.
No.
No, not that.
Where is the amendment? In the complaint petition?
I have mentioned, it is not written in the complaint, Lordship, because by that time that case has not
No,
been
no,
withdrawn.
Then where is in the amendment in the petition?
In my petition, that has been mentioned,
Where
Your
is petition?
Lordship, page 7, para 8 of my petition, Lordship. That case was disposed on 28/8/2024, Lordship.
Please read.
That the petitioner begs to state that the case under section 138 of the NI Act filed by the respondent number 2 against the petitioner by CR case number so and so was with regard to the check issued by the petitioners to the respondent number 2 owing to their business transactions and has no relation with the financial assistance provided by the petitioners to the respondent number 2. As far as CR case number so and so is concerned, the petitioner, after receipt of the process issued by the learned court of SDJM number 1, Kamrup Metro Assam, appeared through his advocate and made payment of the check amount with additional cost by way of a demand draft. And the respondent number 2, after receipt of the same, filed the petition for withdrawal of the case, and accordingly the case was disposed of by order dated 28/8/2024, Lordship.
You have withdrawn, no?
They have
can
withdrawn,
stay the
Lordship.
matter, I think.
There is financial dispute is there.
They have withdrawn, yes, huh?
They withdraw their one case, Lordship.
One case.
There
Two cases
there
are
are two
there.
cases under 138, one filed by them, one filed by me. In their case, I made payment, they withdraw the case. But in my case, instead of settling it out, they have filed case under 406 IPC against me.
Their transaction, two transactions are very
One
much
transaction
separate,
is
man.
subsisting.
The different transaction, man. One is they filed, another is regarding same check amount, man. Yes.
Lordship, ideally, they should have gone to Rajasthan to contest that case. But they have filed a complaint
That,
against me.
the honorable court has found that there are materials against them to proceed. That is
Also, interpretation
sitting,
till
man.
till the next date, Lordship, if maybe considered.
Notice, man.
No, no, no.
Lordship, even if the transaction is to
No,
be
no,
considered, that is,
let the notice be issued. Let the notice be issued.
Lordship, transaction is civil in nature and they have filed a criminal
Yes,
case
yes.
against me.
But you see,
Lordship, only the plea that the check was security, that cannot be the ground to proceed under 406 IPC against me.
406. No, no. 406. You have committed an offense under 406. Allegedly. Not, this is not civil. Not only civil allegations.
If Lordship can-
Allegedly, there is a criminal allegation also against you. Let us issue notice. Maybe on the next date, let the records come, maybe on the next date.
In the meantime, I might be arrested, Lordship, that's the problem. Non-bail warrant has
Then
issued.
why don't you settle a dispute? You may be arrested.
I may be arrested, Lordship.
Why don't you apply for anticipatory bail? Warrant has been issued against you.
So after filing of this case, the warrant has issued on 28th of this month, of last month, Lordship. 5 days ago.
You apply for anticipatory bail. This is final disposal.
Lordship, this is.
After going through the LCR, this order was passed.
Lordship, I have one more case passed by the coordinate bench, the same kind of proceedings where the case has been stayed.
You see, if you insist, then I'll pass a reasoned order and then I don't know when the result of the reasoned order, I don't know. It may end up in your favor or it may not end up in your favor. Then I will go
Lordship,
to,
I'm not insisting, Lordship, but.
then if you don't insist, then I'll pass an order to call for the records. If you insist, I don't know, then I'll pass a long reasoned order. I may pass a long reasoned order. If you don't insist, then I will call for the records. Then we will consider your matter after going through the records.
Lordship,
Where
I'm-
is the hurry? NBW has issued against you, then you file a petition.
Lordship, then again, it will take time, Lordship. Then that filing of fresh petitions for it's retrievable, that will take time, Lordship.
Okay, then I'll pass an order later.
Lordship, this judgment might be maybe considered, Lordship.
I don't know. I'll go through it, then I'll pass an order later, but I don't know what it will be, it will turn out to be. I'll pass an order.
Lordship,
It will chamber dictation duty.
Reasonable.
Mm.
If here the order framing of charge has been put to challenge, man.
Mm.
Charges under section 61(2), that is conspiracy. 64(1), that is
We'll
rape.
have to issue notice, Moscow
Yes.
case. You'll have to issue notice.
For a moment, if I may be allowed to submit, Malak.
There's no point, actually, we have to issue
No,
notice.
Malak, yeah. Allegation of POXO is not against him, Malak. For page 53, Malak.
Additional documents, the prosecution has been allowed to edit additional documents after commencing the trial. And at page Lordship 28 is the order. During investigation, these documents were not collected and submitted along with the charge sheet. Subsequently, they file an application. And after lordship reviewing charges and chief examination in chief of the PW1 complainant has started but not completed. At that time, lordship, they have filed this application. So lordship, in that legal lordship, there is a decision of the honorable lordship, Bombay High Court, just one paragraph lordship. Paragraph 30 lordship. Only paragraph 30 lordship.
This application was filed by the PP.
No, no,
Claimant, sorry.
Claimant.
Complainant,
Informant, man.
pro PP lordship.
No informant, man.
165 of the Evidence Act.
My lord,
Evidence Act, 165, I think. Where is the order of the court?
Page 28, man.
page 20.
This is only for the court, I think, 165.
Yes, madam. But my, page 25, madam, actually the petition was filed by the complainant himself, madam, but so that could be, madam. And the reason order has.
Page 25. Let's
25.
read page 25.
Page 25, madam.
Application filed by the.
Please read the order, page 25.
25 is the, my lord, petition, madam. Petition by the complainant, PW1.
Okay.
PW1, and the order itself is on page 28. And so far as prejudice caused to the.
Well, they have, the trial court has discussed about the judgment, but has taken the different stand, saying that no prejudice will pass. But that order lordship specifically mentioned that once the trial is commenced, they cannot. Well, my humble submission lordship at this stage, let them go ahead with the proceeding, and the order the impute lordship may not be acted upon till then lordship. We are not going to lordship installing the proceeding. Let them continue, trial court.
You have any other decision of Supreme Court?
My lord,
Any other decision of a
Nothing.
Supreme Court or this court?
Lordship, yeah, one decision of Supreme Court, Lordship. This. One paragraph, this, para 7, Lordship. This is not absolutely in the same line. Some different state Lordship.
There are also judgments, my lord, which says that, my lord, there is no absolute bar, my lord.
Yes.
In
that is
considering the documents, my lord.
For interim stay, you produce the judgment, we'll take it up tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You produce the judgment
Just tomorrow and day after tomorrow is closed, my lord. On
Okay,
Monday or Tuesday.
on Monday then.
Monday.
No, my lord. Tuesday, ko na. Oh, hindi.
Tuesday na lang, Monday ko.
On Monday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Right.
on Wednesday, okay.
Right.
But I'll take the judgment, Lordship. I have only one copy. Okay.
Different judgment. then.
of the.
Hmm? Oh. এইটো হেৰি list this matter on Monday লিখি দিলে হৈ যাব। Oh, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
May I please your Lordship.
I'll come back after 5 minutes.
I was in,
No, no, there were 12 o'clock, no. Time's up.
Item 14, petitioner. Item 14 is already tagged along with criminal petition number 1016 of 2025, and by an order, both these matters are now directed to be listed on 11/12/2025. So this can be heard on 11/12 without the petition.
May I please your lordship? What happened in this case, earlier one application has been filed with a prayer to quash the summon issued to petitioner. Thereafter, there two of the directors, Sarika Bothra and another one made a party. This case is arising out of NCLT judgment, that is with regard to the IBC. So this is at this stage, it is not maintainable. However, my learned friend is pressing to continue. No, I'm coming to the law point.
Matters already tagged, so it should go even approved.
But I'm coming to the law point, your lordship. What happened in the IBC, there are 3 sections, especially for the insolvency. Section 8 is for operational creditor. Section 7 is financial creditor, who is bank. And section 10 is for the corporate debtor. If he is a NPA, he is become insolvent, he can file an application. So in this case, the petitioner Brahmaputra Iron and Steel Company, through their director, they have filed an application under section 10, stating themselves to be insolvent. Matter is admitted, resolution professional is appointed. He has made a paper publication, call for the person for auctioning the company either in as it is condition or going concern. Thereafter, one of the person, he has filed his resolution plan that he want to purchase this company. Accordingly, the company has been sold to that Sarika Bothra being a director. They have purchased the company as it is and in a going concern. Now, while passing the resolution plan, there are certain do's and don'ts. So there are certain conditions whether the criminal case will lie or not, whether any debt is there, whether who is the recoverable. So those are exempted. So any criminal liability to the new owner, it is exempted. Now what happened? Criminal case which they have defrauded, earlier director, case is filed, CBI has taken the investigation and case is filed pending before the magistrate court. And one notice has been issued. I am coming to that, Your Lordship. Here it is there. Your Lordship will appreciate this case should not be pending. It is an total abuse of the process.
On merits, then let me start. If she's I am only saying that the matter is already tagged, it is already listed by another court, there's a judicial order. I am only saying tag the two matters and let it be on 11/12.
But you see,
There is a date fixed.
And it is pending.
Then
since
let me
long.
start, as to what the scheme of.
We'll notice, we'll fix the date.
Very well, that's what I'm not even asking for a
685
notice.
may kindly be seen.
It's okay.
I'm not even seeking for notice.
We're not taking, we shouldn't.
They are only, yes, no, I have
We
received the
won't issue
copy.
notice.
We will give reply. If it will remain pending today, then we are going to give reply.
It's up to.
It is a
we won't
notice
issue
and a
that
notice
will
to
be listed in
appear
other
for
cases.
prosecution witness. And if this is quashed, what will happen? The culprit, against them, the proceeding will quashed. They are asked, they are summoned to.
May I only say,
Let's
no,
prosecution
my
witness.
learned friend
Is this
got
matter along
my-
with which one, which case?
1016 of 2025.
What 1016?
Criminal petition 101.
Criminal petition number 1016 of 2025.
On 11/12.
It is not at all maintainable. you will see.
Maintainable.
So I'm not issuing notice.
My lord,
This is not required. We will give reply to this effect.
Maintainability on that day. And if it is not maintainable, we'll not keep it pending.
Your Lordship is fixing the date?
11.
11/12 is the other matter.
Huh?
I'm-
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Already in this
We'll
case,
have to call forest.
I have informed my lord, but still
Let
nobody
it
is.
come, we'll wait for some time.
Item 16.
Somebody call.
I have informed, but
Can somebody call D. Gogoi from the PP side?
D. Gogoi
Because Assam, government of Assam is arrayed as a party.
Put the notice.
D. Gogoi has said that he is not appearing. Another advocate is Mr. Bankim.
Who-
I have
whoever
also
appears.
informed him, my lord.
Whoever appears, let him appear.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
My lord, one NI case is pending before the landed court below, my lord. I could not appear,
Hmm.
my lord, and my counsel, my lord, filed petition for adjournment, my lord, but that was rejected and non-bailable warrant is issued. That is pending. So next date is 10, my lord. I will appear and face the trial till then, my lord.
Already there, let him appear. We'll keep the NBW.
My lord.
We'll defer the
My
NBW.
lord.
Learned Counsel, Mr. S.S. Sigdar is present for for the petitioner, Moduz Zaman Islam, who has filed his application under section 528 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for quashing the order of order dated 7/11/2025 in connection with NI case number 511/2025 passed by the learned court of the Judicial Magistrate First Class Kamrun Metro. Third, Mr. K. Boshe, learned edition, PP Assam. Stop notice is accepted on behalf of the respondent number 1. Stop. It is submitted that by the impugned order dated 7/11/2025, warrant has been issued. Stop. It is further submitted that the petitioner is willing to cooperate with the trial. Stop. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. This case has been registered in the year 2025. Full stop. The petitioner is willing to cooperate with the trial. Full stop. It appears that it is not necessary to keep this case pending any further. Full stop. A pragmatic view is taken. Thereby, the petitioner is directed to appear before the learned trial court and cooperate with the trial. Meanwhile, this is bailable warrant.
Non-bailable.
Non-bailable. Meanwhile, the NBWA issued against the petitioner is deferred for another 15 days, and within these 15 days, the petitioner is directed to appear before the learned trial court and cooperate with the trial.
Hello, first.
In terms of the above order, we can distribution stands disposed of.
May I please also? Up to this petition has been prepared for quashing of a criminal proceeding on the ground of settlement between the parties.
Both the parties have settled.
Settled, your lordship.
You filed a joint petition.
Joint petition, no, your lordship, I have filed one annexure that is affidavit shown by this respondent number 2 years. She is the informant. It is in page number 23.
Okay, we'll issue notice and state the proceedings.
Lordship.
Page number
Page number 23.
43.
23, your lordship. Last paragraph. Last paragraph, page number 23. Paragraph number 3.
Okay, we'll state the proceedings, we'll issue notice.
Yes.
If he doesn't turn up, then we'll pass an order ex parte.
Yes. That may be fixed only. Next
Yeah.
date may be fixed.
Third learned counsel, Mr.
Be das, lordship.
B. Das for the petitioner. Gituras Loper, who has filed this application under section 528 of the BNWS 2023, read with, if it's mentioned as section, it must be article. Read with
Yes, yes.
article 227 of the Constitution
Oh,
to
yes.
capital or India to capital, huh? Constitution of India, with prayer for quashing the FIR number 600 of 2024 registered under section 316 and 318 within bracket 4 of the BNWS 2023,
BNS.
and also the charge sheet along with the entire proceeding of PRC case number 2910 of 2025. Third, Mr. K. Bushal on edition PP Assam, to stop. It is submitted that the annexure B of the petition is an affidavit filed by the informant Miss Karisma Bhargav, that the dispute between both the parties have been amicably settled and she is not willing to proceed with this case. Full stop. It appears that there are sufficient grounds to stay further proceedings of PRC case number
2910.
2910 of 2025,
25.
and thereby their proceedings are stayed. Meanwhile, call for the scanned copies of the trial court records and issue notice to the respondent number 2. List this matter after the winter vacation. These are
That-
stayed.
At least that may be fixed, your lordship. Oh,
Joint petition not required.
obliged.
Nine. Order number 18 for admission.
May I please your lordship? Matter is, my lord,
See, this matter, we will dispose it of, but we do not have the records.
my lord.
You want the records or you do not want the records?
My lord, basically, my lord, petition was dismissed for on withdrawal. That was a communication gap between the client and the petitioner.
But the
Subsequently,
respondent is not present today. We can pass an order.
my lord, lordship just restored the, my lord, original criminal petition. That was by mistake, my lord. On some bona fide misunderstanding, my lord, prayer was made for withdrawal. And no liberty was sought for. And lordship knows, my lord, of course, my lord, there is a restriction under section 362 of the CRPC. But since we don't have any alternative, my lord, there is no provision for restoration in the original CRPC. Therefore, my lord, we seek remedy under section 482. There are a number of decisions on this point, my lord, when there is no any provision. And for apparent, my lord, injustice, then court may exercise power. So I am just, my lord,
Give one last opportunity to the other side, I think.
my,
Huh?
my.
to the complainant one last opportunity. If they do not turn up, we will dispose it.
My. But I just want, my lord, to get the matter restored.
We will
Criminal-
restore it, but let the other side come. They may have some objection. Earlier it was withdrawn and they are actually, I think they are the accused now, the other side.
No, it is matter restored custody of elephant.
Custody of an
Elephant, two elephants.
And the other side is the,
Other side is, my lord, they are also claimant. In their favor, order was passed. We have challenged.
okay.
It's a very long history, my lord, since for last 15, 16 years, matter is, my lord, they are agitating their respective rights.
They have taken charge of the elephants.
My lord, elephant is not in our custody, though there was, originally there was a direction for, my lord, custody in our favor. Then order was, my lord, set aside.
Why they have not got the records? Records are required, I think. Custody of an elephant. Without the records, how can?
And my lord, in this matter, my lord, there is the from the forest departments, my lord, there is the SC is also
Okay, they
there.
do not have this. Forest department.
Yes, my lord.
You are
My
not
lord,
a party.
yes, my lord, it is shown in the, my lord,
Are
there
you
is the
a party?
cause list, my lord.
Let me see, let's check.
My lord, possibly, my lord, when the matter is. Matter
State
was
is also a party.
Yes, ma'am.
in the event of withdrawal of the petition, my lord, and matter was dismissed
Can you
on.
call, will you place a submission state? Today?
My lord, here, my lord, actually, this is a matter, my lord, here, my lord, DFO is a party, my lord, this matter, my lord.
Let us wait for the forest.
My lord,
I think there is another case pending.
yes.
It is pending.
Yes. So we'll hear him in both these cases. Forester Manu, standing counsel ahile, দি দিব. Can you wait for some time?
Today. No problem.
Okay. Yes. Record ahile etu? You want the records or records are not
My
required?
lord, I think record is not necessary, my lord, whether this petition is maintainable or not. My lord, he is not a party to the proceeding, my lord.
Now, my lord, what has happened in this case, my lord? He says, my lord, I'm not a party. Now here, my lord, he is for the agreed person, my lord. And case was filed under section 1920, sorry, my lord, 18, 19, 20, 22 of the DVA by the wife against the husband as well as the father-in-law and mother-in-law. The father-in-law died. Now the mother-in-law and the husband is before this court. Now, so now what has happened? We file a written statement. Then your lordship will find the written statement at page. Your lordship cognizance order your lordship will find it annexure B, page 39. 17, 11, 20.
You are Rajesh Jain.
I'm Rajesh Jain.
You are?
He is not a party.
I'm not a party in the proceeding, my lord. I'm the elder brother of the husband.
Elder brother of the husband.
Husband, my lord. Because my condition is that the husband is a person of unsound mind. He is not in a position to, my lord, understand the proceeding. But that is the stand which was been taken in the written statement, as well as the petition which was filed under section 329. If lordship will kindly come to page 39, which is the order, cognizance order, my lord, and the WS, if a lordship file at page 40, annexure C.
Page 39 is the order.
Is the order, my lord. This order date is 17/11/22, my lord, by which the
And
notice
page 40 is the WS.
WS, my lord. Your lordship kindly comes.
This order is impure?
No. That is later on, my lord. That is your lordship will find at page 80.
Page 40 is the petition.
Page 40 is the WS, my lord. Now, my lord, here, your lordship kindly comes to page 43.
Yes.
43, my lord.
Page 43, yes.
Now, page, that is internal page 4 of the WS. I'll just read from the third line from top, my lord.
Yes.
It is stated that the aggrieved let the respondent number 1 and his parents requested her many times to come back to their family, but the aggrieved was adamant but that she would not return to Bilasipara and also stated that she would not continue her marriage. The respondent could not handle this desertion and gradually he went to the stage of bipolar disorder. It is further stated that after continuous treatment and efforts made by the family, the respondent is required from that stage. Now, my lord, thereafter, if your lordship kindly comes to the next page, third paragraph, my lord, 44. The respondent have the backstory that before their marriage, the agreed persons were working as a tailor under the so and so. I'll just skip that part, my lord. Thereafter, the said person informed her that the one of these, but it was further informed that in his past life, the respondent was suffering from some mental illness, and after treatment, he recovered from his illness and was doing well presently. It is also stated that the agreed met the respondent specially the respondent one after meeting him, she decided to tie the knot. They stated that she had no tailoring so and so, so and so. Now, illness has been, my lord, all along period, and if your lordship kindly comes to from page 49 onwards, are the documents relating to his illness, my lord.
Okay. Okay.
He was, my lord, treated in leukopedia so and so or mental health. He's a person of unsound mind, my lord. Right from 2004, my lord, there are documents to show. Now, my lord, on page 56. Lord, a person of unsound mind cannot be expected to come to court. He has to understand the proceeding, my lord. Now, if your lordship sees the page 56, this is the petition which was filed on behalf of the husband by the present petitioner, my lord.
Okay.
Paragraph 2, it is stated that his brother Jagat Jain, respondent number 1, is a patient of bipolar disorder since many years and presently is suffering from unsoundness of mind and hence not in a position to understand the legal proceeding pending against him. And as such, no proper objection of the petition for interim maintenance could be filed today. They filed an application for seeking interim maintenance, my lord. Against this, we filed this application that he is a person of unsound mind. So the provisions of this section 329, 330 of the CRPC may be invoked. Because, my lord, he has to first understand the proceeding. Well, how will he defend himself? That was the case.
So then order was passed.
No, my lord, yes, my lord, but the documents, if your lordship say again from 59 onwards by the documents, they file an objection and the order which was passed. That is at page 80.
Okay.
I'll just take you to page 80, my lord, last part
You
of
are
it,
agreed by this order.
by this order.
Okay.
I'll just, my lord, read the last paragraph. It is pertinent to mention here that a judicial magistrate, while dealing with a DIR or an application under section 12 of the Protection of Women for so and so, not have any power to either convict or acquit the respondents. After conclusion of the proceeding, a domestic incident report or an application under protection of the women of so and so is filed before the judicial magistrate with whose jurisdiction the domestic violence committed by or the victim woman lies. But in fact, the objects and reasons of the PWD Act says the phenomenon of domestic violence is widely prevalent but has remained largely invisible in the public domain. Presently, when a woman is subject to cruelty by her husband or his relative, it is an offense under section 498 of the Indian Penal Code. It was therefore proposed to enact a law keeping in view the rights guaranteed under Article 14, 15, and 21 of the Constitution of India and to provide a remedy under the civil law which is intended to protect the woman from victimized in connection with the domestic violence and to prevent the occurrence of domestic violence in the society. Thus, even a casual reading of the objects would make it clear.
Understand.
Now,
So,
my lord.
Even I'm also asking you, this is not a criminal case.
No, my lord. If your lordship kindly comes to section 28 of the DV Act, my lord.
Some DV Act one, PWDB Act one. I know you can proceedings under CRPC.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Very simple.
I've seen that section.
So 28 says, save as otherwise provided in the Act, all proceedings under section 12, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23, and offense under section 30 shall be governed by the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure. So even otherwise, if it is
Do you have any authority?
Yes, yes, my lord. In fact, quasi judicial means, my lord, quasi criminal also. It's 50-50. So, my lord, where this
Any authority?
it is, well, so far the strangers, yes, my lord. So there is a authority in the sense, my lord.
in this regarding to staying of any.
No,
case
now 339 is also not because
under-
it's only for
under,
an inquiry, my lord.
mental ailment.
It
You
is-
have this
yeah.
test proof certificate, I have seen it.
Yes,
If you
those things are
forget,
there.
yeah, I can
Even
hear you.
Lordship, I'll take you to the section, then section 329 of the CRPC, my lord.
Oh, no, no.
No, my lord,
I have
my lord,
dealt with all those sections throughout my life. No, not again.
no, my lord.
I know, you can stay, but I'm asking for an authority. If you give me an authority.
Today, my lord, so far the that section, my lord, I have not brought, but I have other decisions as well, my lord. Just there's three.
No, no, no. Only in respect of Domestic Violence Act cases, not criminal cases. Those, there are many authorities.
Even otherwise.
And the code is there.
Even otherwise, my lord. If a person is of unsound mind,
Yes, but you give me an authority.
then in that case, my lord, I'll produce next week, my lord.
Not
Any day.
next week. Not next week. These 2 weeks are for motion only. January,
Lordship.
on January, these proceedings have been stayed.
Yes, proceeding state. As of
So where is the problem? On
No,
January.
my lord, just have a look, my lord, as a, now, my lord, after 23, this Bharatiya Nagarik Sanhita is in force, my lord. Even, my lord, that section, my lord, provide that.
Let's see if he has a
My
case,
lord,
then we will.
my lord, my lord,
And then if you have a
lord,
rebuttal, then you say, bring a rebuttal authority.
no, my lord, I certainly, but my lord, they should pay something, my lord, the ladies, my lord, without any means.
Who
my
will
lord.
pay, my lord?
Yes.
The person is unsound mind.
No, my lord, my lord, just a few minutes.
The
My lord,
proceedings have
my lord,
stayed.
my lord, this gentleman is settled at Bangalore, my lord. After he has come to Vilasipada just to dispose of all the property and to took the mother to Bangalore, my lord.
He has a certificate from LG.
No, my lord,
BRI test
my
book.
lord, no, my lord. According to their own statement, my lord.
Okay, we'll give you a payment order at least
Yes.
in January.
My lord,
Not
my
now.
lord, this lady is without means, my lord, she is 21, my lord. Some amount, my lord, they may be direct to pay some amount, my lord.
The parents cannot be directed to
No,
pay.
payment is not the question
Who
of
will
payment,
pay,
my
my
lord. It is not, my lord, my friend has admitted, my lord, that I am ready, my lord, I am ready to maintain my husband, my lord. I am ready to maintain my husband, my lord. Why they are not allowing me to stay in the shared household, my lord? They have many properties, my lord. They have rented out the property at Vilasipada, some other person, my lord. Why they can't allow me to stay with my husband, my lord? In my written, I have taken all these ground, my lord. Why they are-
On first week of January.
and my lord,
I will hear you. I will hear you.
my lord,
I'll fix it before me.
but my lord, some amount.
No. First week of January. 7 January. Please come
No, my lord.
with supporting authorities.
No, my lord, first, my lord, if he said that he has filed the petition on behalf of this, my lord, the person of concern, whether he should have obtained a certificate from the district judge, my lord, who is the.
Yes, from
Yes,
the
who is the, my lord, who is the, my lord, how he can represent?
If he's
He has to obtain a
mentally
declaration from the
ill,
district judge as a guardian, my
you
lord.
can get a certificate to
And
take
my
your
lord-
guardianship certificate
My lord,
for
natural,
mentally ailing adult. You
my,
have
my lord, my lord, father and mother
See,
are
he
the.
has a good ground.
My lord,
But
father, my lord,
you-
father,
you
my
give
lord,
this
father and mother is alive. She is the natural guardian, my lord. Even if we assume that he is a person of answer, mother is the natural guardian. How he can be allowed to represent him, my lord?
Okay, we'll hear you. You also have a good ground.
Well, I am concerned with the money, my lord. They are not paying anything, my lord. They are not paying anything, my lord. Then the case is, my lord, already evidence is filed. They can cross-examine the witness, my lord.
We'll give you a date, first week of January. First week of January. Yeah, ঠিক আছে।
May it please the lordship. Item 21, my lord.
Yes. Petition also.
Well, in this, it is against the judgment of remarshal, my lord, the remand of the general session judge, my lord. This revision, what happened, my lord? LCR was called for long back. Only lower court appellate LCR has come, and the trial court LCR has not yet come, my lord. So, my lord, may I make a small prayer, my lord? The condition of the woman whose matter is remanded before the Lord Magistrate is very peculiar. She is bedridden, paralyzed. So let the appeal be kindly admitted, my lord. It is, if I read before your lordship the improved portions, well, your lordship will be surprised. Just before that, I beg to draw your lordship attention to page 24, my lord. paragraph 36.
What is your prayer in this revision petition?
Revision petition, we have made it clear that the order of remand, as per the trial court judgment, there was imposition of 1,000 fine. We have paid it. Now, as per the session judge order, matter is to retry it before the trial court, my lord. So we want that because of the condition of the woman and we having deposited the fine, let the appeal be kindly stay. Remand order may be stayed, my lord. Trial may be stayed. And this appeal may be heard at the earliest after in the New Year's, say by January or February, my lord. So it may kindly be admitted. My lord, there was a fine of rupees 1,000.
Just a moment, I'll read it and I'll come back to you.
Yes.
Please sit down.
Yeah.
Please sit. The sentence was not according to the offense.
As per the
So it
session
was
judge
remanded back.
petition. He learned
Because he
session
cannot
was-
enhance the sentence, so it was remanded back.
My lord.
That he could not enhance the sentence.
Yeah, learned session judge did not enhance the sentence, rather
He
he
cannot
remanded
actually.
back.
This
With
was
the-
not for enhancement of sentence, this was only against the.
He wants to give a deterrent punishment, my lord. But your lordship may be pleased to see
Okay.
the page, at page
So
24,
what is your prayer? I think he has passed a correct order.
my lord.
What is your prayer? I think he has passed a correct order.
This is there, your lordship, he has, but your lordship can read the paragraph
I've read the entire judgment. I think
judgment.
he has passed a correct order. But no,
The police was not, the doctor was not examined, man.
not required. Only section 323.
And there was a clear,
Punishment was not appropriate actually. That one minor girl, 9 years old, she was hit by a woman who has her own children.
there was no proper analysis of even the, I beg to draw your lordship attention to one paragraph page of the,
Not
Learned
required, not
PPs.
required.
Learned
Section
PP also
323.
agreed. Learned PP also agreed, my lord. Your lordship can see at page. Paragraph page 34, my lord.
Lordship,
Page
let the
30
record become.
page
Lordship.
34.
Record is not available, Lordship.
I think some
Paragraph-
records are here. What record is?
My lord.
Lower court record.
The TCA, Lordship.
Trial court record will suffice.
Appellate court order, LCR has
Appellate
come,
court's
but
record is not necessary. This will suffice. Trial court records.
it was called,
I think you fix another date. Not another date. Maybe another, will not fix any date.
for calling on the trial court's record, my lord.
Not required actually, trial court's record. But trial court's record is there. We do not want the appellate court's record. It's not required.
Appellate court record, as per our instruction, appellate court record is there. Called for. It has been received,
Record as
but
well.
trial court record has not yet been received, despite it was called for. An office also remanded.
Oh, the trial court record like, let us call for a trial court record. And if you want me to stay or something like that, no.
In the meantime, let it stay because.
Stay already granted.
Looking
This
at the,
1 year, 1 year
considering the
sentence.
physical condition of the particular victim, my lord, who is not able to move to the court, my lord. She is bedridden because of paralysis.
Convicted
And
for only 1,000 rupees.
This she has already deposited. This
It's not required to be stayed.
she has deposited before the trial court, my lord.
Not
With
required
due
to be stayed.
respect, with due respect to appellate
She has
court.
deposited, then it's not required to be stayed. You see, there's no order from since relating to stay because she has deposited the fine. The sentence is only fine, 1,000 rupees.
The
and
fine
she
she has already paid, but learned Sanction Judge has remanded the matter before the trial court for reconsideration and enhancement of the punishment. So we have come and against the enhancement
So
of
why should
punishment.
we pass an order when it is not required? She has paid the fine. Why should we pass an order when it is not required? She has
Sir.
already paid the fine.
We have already paid the fine, ma'am.
So why should
So
we pass an
learned
order?
trial court is insistent that unless the matter is stayed by High Court, I cannot I am to hear the matter again. In this way, we are under pressure.
No, no, you see.
We have already
Actually, if you
appeared.
do not
She
have-
was
do not
carried,
have a case, you have already paid the fine.
he has paid the fine, ma'am.
I do not know why you want to proceed with this case. She was sentenced to fine.
But learned law appellate court has remanded the matter for for a retrial. He wants that the magistrate should rehear and impose higher punishment.
You want to remain on previous bail or something of that sort? You are already on previous bail. And that bail has been allowed by Sessions Court also.
No, session has remanded but then left the matter with the trial court. Now we have appeared before the trial court and learned trial court is insisted that unless you bring a stay order from the High Court, I shall go for the retrial of the matter for examination of the evidences again. Reconsideration this thing. It is not that the foreign magistrate CJM is there, somebody else
All right.
has joined.
We can stay, I think. We can stay. Have you made any prayer for stay?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. In our appeal memo, last page, my lord. At
Last page
yes,
of the appeal memo.
page 13, your lordship can see.
Our learned counsel, Mr.
M.H. Rajbor.
M.S. Rasbor Bhuiya for the appellant. Is the appellant here or a petitioner? For the petitioner.
Revision petitioner.
Okay, for the petitioner. Benita C. Who has filed his application under section 528 of the No, 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 no. No, no. This is not a revision petition. This is a quashing petition for 528-482. But it is registered as a criminal revision case. How will you correct it?
Actually, it may be directed correctly, but your lordship may be pleased to direct the office.
See, if these sections are wrongly quoted, how to correct it? You have to file amended petition. We have a notification. What is the notification about? I have forgotten.
No, my lord, actually it was filed as criminal revision.
I filed globally.
The office interpreted and then now it should be mentioned as.
Oh, it has been
criminal-
corrected?
Yes.
But the sections has to also to be corrected. Which order? By which order it has been corrected from quashing petition to revision petition? Order dated when? 20?
24 to 2025.
20, order dated 24 to 2025.
24 to 2025.
Amended first statement, 24 to 24.
By order.
No, this is only amended cost title, but not about the section to be corrected. Have you filed an amended cost title?
Your Lordship, we have filed a criminal petition initially, but after filing of the criminal petition, then the section have called us and told that you filed it as an revision petition. So we, as revision petition, the case has been listed now.
But the sections are wrongly quoted. 528.
528.
You have to file an IA lordship.
You have to file an IA.
Yes, lordship.
As per, etu petitioner satisfied ko likhibo na lage. Hard Land Council, Mr. M.A. Raz Bordbhuiya, who has prayed for time to file an amended, to file an IA, Huh?
Yes. So pending this, my lord, we will do it, okay, because we are under pressure, my lord. We are
No, no,
also
sir.
very-
Cannot pass any order now.
Legally
We will
important.
call for the trial court records. Cannot pass any order now. We'll fix it on the first week.
Sure, trial court records may kindly be called for, my.
Yes, yes, call for trial court records. List this matter on first week of January,
Second week.
second week of January.
Date will be fixed, yeah.
On 19 January? Third week?
Yes, ma'am.
On 19 January लिखी दिया. Third week लिख में ना लगे. 19 January. Just a moment. You want to submit something? You've been sitting for a long time. Please submit whatever you want to say. 28. Let me take up their case. 28. If it is very short, then we'll dispose it of within 5 minutes.
May it please your lordship. First, I have to submit regarding maintainability of the case because that question arose. It is maintainable. Revision petition is why it is maintainable. That says that it is not an interlocutory order. It is an intermediate order. And on that, that is the revision petition which said, right? I have
Who is the
clearly
opposite
stated-
party here in this case?
My lord?
The opposite party? This is for admission, no?
For orders, lordship.
For order.
No,
Order.
of order.
Okay,
It has
let
come
me
from order. But
Office not.
Respondent
only regarding maintainability,
No,
I want
no,
to submit on this. Yes.
Service report on respondent number 2 is awaited. Let the respondent number 2 come.
Yeah. Respondent they have received.
You have received.
My lord, he is on legs, my lord. Senior is on legs, my lord. My lord, he is coming. Let them come.
But he's been waiting throughout the morning.
Yes, my lord, but he actually did not inform us that.
Huh?
He did not inform us.
That
They know that we are sitting with us. Let them come.
Okay then.
no, you can. Whether I can make the submission.
You be here, let us start with the submission. Or you won't be able to.
That is
Let my
better.
senior hear in this.
That will be better.
Let the senior come then. This will be spilled over to the afternoon. This matter will be spilled over to the afternoon then, after 2.
After 2. At 2 o'clock, we will be here.
At 2 when?
We'll list this, otherwise we can list this matter for admission because
Yes, lordship.
this is fixed for orders. We'll list
Orders,
this matter for admission. They have received notice. We'll list this matter for
Lordship.
admission.
Yes. On which
Let us
date?
wait till.
On which date?
You tell me.
Well, the
But,
date will be-
that should be on January because admission will take up on January after vacation.
No.
Stay may be provided on.
Only that, my lord.
Admission will take up on January after vacation.
Stay may be provided on that, Your Honor, so that the proceeding in the lower court may not be
There,
proceeded.
there.
That is on the.
There, yes.
But we have received the notice day before yesterday, but we have filed the Okarnama yesterday. And my lord, I've gone through the case, my lord. They have filed a criminal revision petition. Now, as per my lord, last order dated, my lord, 14/11.
So we'll have to list this matter for admission.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
And my lord, this is,
Matter for admission.
but Lordship may kindly come to the last order at para 6. of the last order, my lord.
Yes, I know.
Yes, this is not maintainable, my lord.
No. We'll list this matter for admission.
Yes, no, yeah.
We'll list this matter for admission.
Lordship may pass only, my lord, given observation that pendency of this case, since there is no stay, but they are trying to influence the family court that the case should not be proceeded since we have approached the High Court.
No.
No, my lord.
No.
Lordship will kindly appreciate, my lord.
No. Learned counsel, no, these are off the record submissions. Learned senior counsel, Mrs. K. Deka is present. Learned counsel, Mr.
SP does not.
SP Das
No.
is present for respondent number 2. And learned additional P3, Miss Endas is present for respondent number 1.
What is one?
List this matter for admission after.
And then, my lord.
On the,
and Your Honor,
after the, immediately after the winter vacation.
Interpretation,
Immediately after the winter vacation.
But this case will proceed, my lord, in the family court, my lord.
Then,
This case will proceed in the family court, my lord. There is no stay. my lord.
then it will be
Now
difficult.
I'm
If
not
there are
planning
some
anything.
other orders will
Madam?
come, how it will be?
No, this
It's
these
still
are
can be
off the record
granted.
cases.
Till then, it
Friends
can be
in family
granted.
court, etc.
This is a case of, my lord, maintenance.
Till then, no,
No,
not for the only maintenance and all.
We'll fix
That
it
is
on
another, yes.
for admission on 20, on immediately after the vacation. After the
Stay
vacation.
till then, my lord.
Huh?
Stay till then.
No.
because
Otherwise, it will be
You are
difficult.
already there. Okay.
They all stay, my lord.
Submission.
This is not a maintainable kind of this case.
True.
They are
That's why I am
demanding
stay.
stay.
No,
So that
no,
at any
because
time I can,
the
but at this age, it
issue
is
of
very difficult
maintainability
also for.
is, raised by my coordinate bench. So, immediately after the winter vacation, first week after the winter vacation,
first week after the winter vacation.
First week of
on the first week of January.
January.
admission. it will
Lordship, item number
Go ahead.
22,
Mm.
the other party is also present.
Mm.
There's a discussion going on for the amicable settlement.
Okay.
So it may be listed after winter vacation also.
Okay. It is submitted on behalf of the parties that,
My lord.
first, that a settlement may be in progress. List this matter, when do you want?
After winter vacation.
List this matter after winter vacation.
My lord, last chance will be given because this lady is suffering very much due to hardship. Interim order was suspended ex parte. So, my lord, interim order actually revision does not lie. So anyway, let them compromise, but last chance will be given to the dear petitioner.
It's okay.
Last chance.
Interim.
Interim order shall remain in force till the next date of listing.
And it's a last chance, my lord, kindly. But because otherwise they will continue, the compromise has not arrived yet. So let's-
Full stop. It is submitted on behalf to
the respondent.
Item number 22.
22. Item number, my lord, 22.
Dr. Andega is present for the petitioner and learned counsel, Mr. R.C. Sarkia.
Yes, my lord.
Is present for the respondent, full stop. It is submitted that that settlement is under progress between both the parties, but the parties have not come to a final decision. Full stop. A last opportunity is accorded for settlement. List the matter after winter vacation.
And the last chance.
Yeah, I
Yes.
have recorded last time.
Obliged, my lord, because this lady is facing very hard, unemployed lady. My lord.
Interim will continue.
Interim order shall remain in force till the next date of listing.
We have no objection for interim.
Yes.
We want on the final disposal. Let that lady survive, my lord.
Lordship, item number 23 may be picked from Wednesday, Lordship.
What about the other side?
Lordship,
Yeah,
Okay.
Wednesday, madam.
Use this matter. All right.
Highly
Any short submission from anybody? Adjournment?
Lordship, item number 26.
Who doesn't want to stay after 2? Can take adjournment.
26.
Item number?
Lordship, item number 26, Lordship, FSL report not received, Lordship.
Item number 26.
For the last 6 months, my lord, the FSL report, it is very unfortunate in spite of court order, my lord.
Then we will bring it, then without FSL report, we will consider then.
Lordship.
Your prayer for interim bail.
Lordship, earlier rejected by this
Huh?
honorable court.
AB.
Lordship, earlier rejected by this honorable court,
I have
Lordship.
already rejected.
Yes, Lordship.
Then again we'll reject it, no problem if it's if he's objecting, shall we fix a date or shall we list it, shall we take up the matter in the afternoon?
Minus short date has been given by the
No,
last chance maybe.
last.
FSL report as called for is not received. Issue reminder to forward the FSL report along with the case diary.
CDs, I have to send back the CD and
Okay, we're
call
not
for the
required,
after
not
CD.
required. CDs received without the FSL report, CD to be retained. Call for the FSL report, list this matter on 16 December.
By your
Last chance is accorded to the prosecutor to obtain the FSL report. To produce the FSL report to the prosecution to produce the FSL report. Okay.
Hello, item number 18, my lord.
Yes.
Timing it was first over. Lord, Turning Council affairs department.
Wait for the respondent.
My lord, whether Lordship will, my lord, take up the matter today. It is a very simple prayer. My petition was, my lord,
Will
withdrawn
it come after 2?
after 2.
Yes, because they also need a break. All the officials also, they also need a break.
Then your my lord.
We may not need a break, but the officials, they need a break.
My lord may fix another date, my lord. Then.
Huh?
My lord may fix another date.
You do not want to stay after 2?
We have some recommendations.
Okay. You want to stay after 2 or another date?
But Lordship, he has got some personal problem.
Okay. Learned counsel.
R.H. Chaudhary.
Learned for the forest.
No, not for the forest, my lord, for the private respondent.
Learned counsel,
For the
Mr.
private, R.H. Chaudhary.
R.H. Chaudhary for the respondent has prayed for adjournment, list the matter.
On 12th, madam. 12th of December.
On 15th, not on 12, on 15th.
15, madam, I have some problem, madam.
16?
16, 15, 16, I have some problem.
70?
70.
70.
Keep it.
Sorry, but item 24. In this case, notice has already been issued. Other parties also may appear. In this case, possibly a record is required, the quashing of the proceeding. Record has not been called for in this case, my lord.
Item number?
24.
This is
Quashing of the proceeding.
trial is going on.
Yes. No, trial is already state, already state.
Call for the scan copies of the trial court record, list the matter on after vacation.
Right.
After vacation. You want a date?
After vacation.
List the matter after winter vacation.
Interim order may continue.
Interim order shall remain in force till the next date of listing.
Wait, please, my lord.
Hmm.
This matter was moved before my lord on 2/12/2025, my lord. And my lord has called for the scan copy of the case record, CR case number 16/2025, my lord. My lord, there was an order which I have, my lord, challenged before this honorable court as regard to issuance of notice without following the procedure laid down under 223 and 225 of the, my lord.
You want item number? 34.
My lord wanted to peruse
We
the.
do not have those scan copies.
It has come.
I sent. I sent.
Otherwise also, my lord, I have filed an additional affidavit where the earlier orders are there. Because my lord wanted to file the earlier.
Please proceed. What is
49.
your submission?
My lord, the impugn order, my lord will find at page number 34 of the petition, my lord.
Page number 34.
34, my lord. As my lord, the complaint I have highlighted before, my lord, on the last date, that the complaint has been filed in the district of Majuli, my lord, and the respondent, the accused person therein is a resident of Dhemaji, my lord. So the followings of 223 and 225 mandates, my lord, that the complaint.
Item number 29 for orders.
Applicant is not represented, list the matter after 2 weeks.
Item number 30.
Lordship, this is an application for condonation of delay in filing criminal revision petition. So there is a delay of 55 days, which I had mentioned in 1295.
What, this,
Ground, your
what
lordship,
is this, case under which section?
this is a criminal revision petition under section,
Private respondent,
private respondent.
domestic violence.
No, this is an NI Act, negotiable instrument.
And
Act.
now we'll have to issue notice. We'll have to issue notice. Complaint, Learned Counsel, Mr. N. Soma
Right.
is present for the applicant. Full stop. Steps to be taken to issue notice to respondent, returnable within 4 weeks. List accordingly.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The interlocutory application is listed today, Your Lordship, for suspension of sentence. In this case, Your Lordship, the three accused petitioners are convicted under section 326-34 of Indian Penal Code, and they are sentenced to 4 years.
PCR not received,
Huh? That
Oh.
eye injury, blind.
No, not
He has-
by Your Lordship. There is an injury.
Not that.
4 years they have been sentenced, Your Lordship, and a fine of rupees 10,000. In default, 3 months simple imprisonment.
4
Now, Your
years.
Lordship, in this case, may I submit, Your Lordship, may kindly be pleased to suspend the sentence, because a basic perusal of the order, Your Lordship, judgment will make it absolutely clear that these persons are not.
Just a moment, you will submit or not?
My lord, PCR yet not received, my lord. Only
No,
we
this
have
is
the
the first
judgment,
date.
my lord.
Great.
My lord,
Very true. Very
my
true.
lord, my lord, next date, my lord, a short date, my lord. In the meanwhile, my lord, that is a reminder for the
It's
TCR.
about 3 years. Let the.
4 years, Your Lordship.
4 years.
It's 4 years only, but may I submit one thing, Your Lordship, if Your Lordship may kindly allow me, this judgment,
But
Your
he's not
Lordship.
willing to submit. I have to hear both the sides.
No, true, very true, Your Lordship. I'm only on the suspension of sentence, Your Lordship. If the sentence is suspended, because 3 persons, these are innocent persons, Your Lordship.
Sentence is will be suspended. Definitely will be suspended, but let me hear both the sides.
As Your Lordship, please.
Learned Counsel, Mr. T. Devi is present for the applicants. Full stop. Learned Additional TP, Mr. K. Bushra has submitted that trial court records are not received. Also, the trial court records, leave the matter on in the orders column.
Right.
No, admission column, Your Lordship, orders column or admission, I know, admission.
No, orders column, we
Order
can get a bail.
Then.
Oh, yes, for.
suspension
Yes,
of
I
sentence.
I stand corrected, Your
18
Lordship.
January is
Yes,
for-
yes.
Item 32.
Deeply obvious.
Are you thinking it's 18 December? It's 18 January,
Oh, yes, Your
Yes.
Lordship. I got it.
18 December. And all of that did you 6 January, 7 January, and did you? 7 January, yes.
Obliged. Grateful, very grateful. May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, while preparing this criminal revision petition, there is a delay, Lordship. Delay of 50 days.
It's a private revision between two parties or between
Right.
government, with the government,
State.
with the state.
I made
How many
party-
days delay?
50 days delay, Lordship.
We can condone it. If the
That's it.
state is a party, we can condone it.
I met the informant also as a party. He was a police officer.
You are the accused, no?
I'm the accused,
You
Lordship.
condone the problem.
Lordship, I have filed another application for suspension of the sentence, Lordship. Lordship, what happened in this?
You are, what is the period of,
My lord, my lord, after condemnation of the delay,
Ah.
that only, my lord, now they have only the filing number, criminal
Yes.
revision,
Yes,
my lord,
yes.
that, then it will become my lord.
Learned Counsel, Mr. P. Decano?
No, ad hoc, Lordship.
Huh?
Ad hoc.
Ad
Hoc, Lordship.
hoc.
Ad hoc,
Oh, ad hoc.
Lordship.
Learned Counsel, Mr. R. Hoc is present for the petitioner. Pankaj Verma, who has filed his application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 with prayer for condemnation of deal of 50 days in preparing the criminal revision petition. Full stop. The applicant is aggrieved by the judgment and order dated
4725, passed by the learned session judge Udalguri, and judgment and order dated
13/3/2025 passed by the learned CJM Udalguri in PRC case number 426 of 2022, and judgment and order dated 4/7/2025 passed by the learned session judge Udalguri in criminal appeal number 15 of 2025. Full stop. The Learned additional PP Mr. K. Bosho is present, full stop. It is submitted that the delay was not intentional, full stop. Where is the ground?
Ground I have taken in my para number is 6, 7, and 8 lordship. I have all age parents lordship. My mother was hospitalized, though I have not annexed the medical
It is
document.
submitted that the petitioner had applied for certified copy of the order dated 4/7/2025. Or in criminal appeal number 15/2025. And he received the same on 31/7/2025, full stop. The petitioner was not was unable to engage an advocate to file the revision petition owing to financial constraints, as the petitioner has to look after his old and ailing parents, and he is the sole, and as he is the sole breadwinner of the family, finally the petitioner was able to file his revision, full stop. It is submitted that there was no mala fide in filing the petition, and delay was not intentional. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection, whose sufficient grounds have been shown. Sufficient grounds had been shown, which led to the delay in filing the petition, full stop. For the interest of justice, delay of 59 days, no? No, 50 days.
Actually, it was typographical error. Bench took call us that it was 50 days. And my junior colleague corrected it. That's it, 50 days.
Delay of 50 days is hereby condoned. Register the connected field.
That's okay. Can it be fixed before
No.
before vacation lots? Or it's
2025.
not on bail lots. That is why.
No, cannot fix a date.
Item 33.
If possible, my lord, if possible.
No, cannot fix, no. 25 cannot fix a date. You'll have to mention next date.
Just before the vacation, lordship,
No.
why I am pressing lordship, my lord, we have a
No,
very good ground.
see, I am telling you, why I am telling you,
Lordship.
this, you can pray for extension of previous bail before the trial court, which trial court allows. But we cannot go because you see, I
Yes,
can.
that's what I understood, lordship. But however, my lordship, there is no one at his house, lordship. Ailing parents is there, and he may be arrested at any point of time, lordship. And there is a good ground, your lordship. Why I am saying so, lordship? In the judgment of the trial court itself, it is said.
No.
No, we have good grounds, lordship. And
No.
And
I conduct the delay without notice.
lordship.
This is too much to ask.
Lordship. Highly advised.
May I please, your worship? It is an application under section 528 of BNSS Act, paying for personal complaint case number 91325 pending in the court of SBJ and Magistrate North. In this connection, your lordship has passed an order dated 1/12/25.
Okay,
Order-
consider on the next date. Okay.
Well, my lord, your lordship has asked me to submit an affidavit regarding the service of notice. I have submitted it at
Okay.
page 33, your lordship. So my prayer is at this stage, my lord, interim praying for, I pray for interim order for staying the complaint case number 91325 pending in the court of SDGM Magistrate Nagaon, Assam. Gist of, may I submit on gist of the case, my lord?
Yes.
Gist of the case is that I have constructed a RCC building at Roha. So I have taken loan to the tune of 18 lakhs from the bank. So a part of it I have extended on rent to respondent number 2, Dipandita Saikia. She has taken the there is an agreement dated 33/6/23 at page 20. By that agreement, my lord, from that date, my lord, she has taken rent. Thereafter, she opened the shop room for 1 year. But within the 1 year, she did not pay a single farthing as house rent. House rent was fixed at 3,000 per month. Out of that, my lord, only online she has paid 2 months house rent, my lord. Thereafter, she did not pay any single farthing till today. But she alleges that she came to us for compromise. But we alleges that we are asking her to vacate the room and take back the security deposit amount, my lord. So this is the case, my lord. If she at all case is there is at all any case, but she ought to have approached before the civil court for recovery of the money, my lord, not criminal case, my lord. So my prayer at this stage, my lord, let complaint case be stayed at this stage.
Where is the complaint?
Complaint petition, my lord, at 12 to 15. Operative portion is, my lord, page 13. Her allegation is that I have given 1,50,000 as advance for the rent room. The allegation is that we have misbehaved her, we pushed her. So, informant number 2 is the wife of informant number 1, Rupa Kolita. As she was not there at home because she is staying at Nagaon along with her minor son for prosecuting studies of the minor son. She was at Nagaon. On the date of occurrence, she was not there even.
As because the complaint case, my lord. So, my lord, that is this part is better, my lord, if the complainant's side is present, my lord.
Please sit down. Let me go to the FIR.
My lord.
No, please sit down.
Okay.
Please sit down.
My
Please, no.
notice that.
Please, no, please, let me go to the FIR. You want an interim order, isn't it?
My.
I think can be stayed, I think.
Yes, madam, because madam,
No,
otherwise
no,
it is
offense.
civil in nature and related to the rent. Rest part is.
Counsel, Mr.
DR Seke, my lord.
DR Seke for the petitioners, 1 and 2 not to likhi diba, who have filed this petition under sections 528 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for quashing the complaint case number 913/2025 pending in the court of the learned SDJM S within bracket S Nagaon. Heard Mr. K. Bushra learned additional PP Assam for respondent number 1. Post of notice.
My lord, respondent number 2, my lord.
No, one.
Lesson number 1 state.
Oh, 1, my lord. Sorry.
Notice has been accepted on behalf of respondent number 1 and thus no formal notice is required to be issued. However, sufficient copies to be furnished during the course of the day. The allegation against the petitioners is that the respondent number 2 deposited advance of rupees 1,50,000 to the petitioners. Full stop. The respondent number 2 is the tenant, while the petitioners are the landlord. Are the landlord and the landlady. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner number 2 was not even present as she stays in Nagaon with her son.
My lord. With his younger son.
Nagaon with her younger son. Full stop. It is further submitted that any other ground? For interim stay?
My lord, this is purely a civil dispute in assembly. Purely.
It is further submitted that no criminal offense has been made out on a bare perusal of the complaint petition. Full stop. I have also scrutinized the complaint petition. Full stop. It appears that further proceeding against the petition number 1 and 2 may be stayed till the next date of listing. Issue notice to the respondent number 2 returnable within 4 weeks. Call for the scanned copies of the child court records. List accordingly.
My lord, notice has already been issued.
Oh.
Notice has already been issued. And she has received the notice.
An affidavit has been submitted relating to service of notice to respondent number 2. Issue notice nalagi. Beginning order likhi diba. Notice is hereby deemed to be served on respondent number 2. The list after 4 weeks likhi diba.
Highly appreciated.
Yes. Admission.
Orders, Lordship. Orders.
Bail.
No, Lord.
not
This is
bail.
criminal petition, Lordship. I have challenged the entire proceeding of 1 CR case. Lordship, may kindly peruse the last order.
Okay. Challenging the what?
Entire proceeding of 1 CR case, Lordship. This is relating to check bounce, Lordship. I have checked stay on the last occasion, Lordship.
Okay.
And so far as another criminal petition is pending before this honorable court where stay order has already been passed. After perusal that order, Lordship may kindly peruse the order dated 29/8/2025.
You are the accused.
Yes, Lordship.
We can stay. You will have to deposit 20%.
So far as deposition part is concerned, Lordship, that has already been stayed.
Okay.
On last occasion, Lordship was of the view in this entire stay order, the case number is not mentioned. The CR case number 4711 has not been mentioned by this honorable court while passing the order. Therefore, Lordship was of the view to check the TCR as to whether.
Which case? We have the LCR?
No, Lordship. LCR has not been received.
Oh, okay. All right.
LCR has not been received.
Okay, we'll wait for the LCR then.
May I pray for stay, Lordship? Lordship, may kindly peruse the order dated for a moment, Lordship, that order 29.
Once you can file an affidavit,
Affidavit regarding.
we'll need the number of that.
How? My lord, may kindly peruse the order.
We'll list it for admission then. We'll list it for admission.
Otherwise, Lordship may kindly fix this matter next week so that Lordship, we can wait for another 3-4 days, Lordship.
Yes.
So the LCR, it is coming from Kamrup Metro only.
Okay, next week, yes.
Next week, any date.
Child court records as call for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on
Wednesday,
19 December
19.
or earlier, December, not January.
Next week, Lordship. Is it next week? Any date, Lordship, next week.
Next week is full.
On Friday, next Friday.
17? On 17.
Highly obliged.
Condonation.
No, Lordship, here I
Stay.
have, no, Lordship, I have filed a criminal petition,
Hmm.
though it was jointly filed, but the Honorable Court have asked me to
What is this?
implement,
I for?
I for implement
Okay.
of the,
Respondent number 2.
no, yes, opposite party number 2.
Will allow? Will allow?
Oh.
Private case?
Yes,
Or
Lordship,
state?
no, this is a joint petition because the victim and the petitioner, they are the husband and wife. Regarding,
Okay.
there,
All right.
yes,
For quashing?
yes.
Oh, joint petition by husband and wife.
Right, but informed is a DDP secretary, Lordship. He actually need not be implicated, but as per the court's order.
All right.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Counsel Mr. Ella Muzumdar
Yes, Ahmed.
is present for the, AZ Ahmed is present for the applicants who have filed an application for implement of the informant as respondent number 2.
In criminal petition, Lordship, 1463. 2025.
In the criminal petition number 1463
Yes.
of 2025. Had Mr. K. Bosho, learned Wilson PP Assam, petition is allowed and amended cost title may be filed.
Yes.
Hmm.
Lordship, the main
And then
case.
we'll list this matter for hearing and we'll dispose it of. Joint petition
Yes.
on admission column.
Yes, Lordship. Here, Lordship can direct. Otherwise, Lordship, this joint petition, Lordship may stay the proceeding, Lordship.
Yes, can stay.
Yes.
But
POCSO, madam.
let your name be, name come up in the petition, criminal petition.
Okay.
Whether madam TCR is required or not, madam.
I think this is not required, Lordship, because victim is before this or not.
TCR will call for a scan copy, it won't take much time.
Yes,
Yes.
madam. Scan
Will
copy may be
require
called for,
TCR.
madam. Yes, madam.
Meanwhile, call for the scan copies of the trial court record of POSCO case number how much?
Yes, Lordship.
It'll be fine, I'll लिखी दी बता दे।
Special case number 218 of the 2024.
List after vacation or before
Because
vacation?
because this is a joint petition, Lordship, it is a unnecessary, Lordship, because.
Okay.
Pendency.
Before
Similar.
vacation, basically na, right? 18 December.
18th.
It will take only 3 paragraphs order, 18 December.
I think also 18 will be because one day left will be 16 would be better, Lordship. 16.
16 of jagah ase na?
Eta dia.
No, 18 December.
Okay.
It will, your order will be uploaded.
Okay. Problem.
I dispose.
Yes.
Yes. Bail,
No, madam.
condonation.
Condonation, madam. And only delay of 5 days, madam. Basically, what happened, madam?
Private or
Madam, we had challenged the final order passed under 125 TRPC proceeding, madam. Now,
you issue notice, come
no,
on.
madam will kindly see.
You
What
no.
No, what happened was that.
5 days or 1 day. you
What
issue
happened,
notice.
I'll just submit, madam. What happened, madam, we thought that every order passed by family court is appealable. So we filed a mat appeal, madam, within the limitation period, madam. If your lordship will kindly see the annexure in the IA, page number 8, we filed a mat appeal within time. Thereafter, madam, it came to our knowledge that actually there is an exception in case of an order passed under chapter 9 of the CRPC, that is 125. So we had to withdraw it and then file this, my lord.
Revision petition.
Yes, that is the only 5 days delay, my lord. Otherwise, we filed it within time, my lord, mat appeal, within 90 days. And basically, section 5 is all about satisfying the court, my lord. This is the privacy, it's documented, my lord. Everything is there, my lord. This mat appeal we filed because there was a doubt with the registry also that whether an order passed by family court is appealable or can be challenged by a division. Thereafter, my lord, we found that yes, it is actually an exception is there. So we had to withdraw it. We tried to convert it, my lord. We tried to convert the appeal.
Yeah, where is the paragraph? Only 5 days because of the mat appeal. Which paragraph?
At page number 4, my lord. 5 and 6.
Okay then, can't help it. Can't help it. He's so insistent. Actually, we must call the girl.
But the thing is that they can definitely will appeal, but the thing is that the case is
Third
fixed well.
is the as that's
As the-
learned counsel for the applicant X who has filed this application under section 5 of the Limitation Act with prayer for condonation of delay of here you are writing 3 days.
No, my lord.
Yes, in the heading, head note, 3 days.
It's 5 days only, my lord. 5 days.
Here you have written 3 days.
That's
Maybe in your
It is
copy.
in 5 days only.
But it's 3 days
I'll
here.
correct it, ma'am. But it's 5 days only in my.
After
But
the
private-
operation, how can you again?
No, my lord will.
Successful operation, how can you correct it?
Without even correcting, my lord will calculate this, my lord. The order, impugn order is 27A.
Delay of 3 days. Yeah, I'll read only 3 days, huh?
My lord.
Here it's corrected and signature also given 3 days in prayer portion.
Then they have registry have verified it perhaps. So they thought that it will be 3 days. That's why.
Condonation of delay of 3 days.
That's.
This is not the signature of the registry, huh? This is
No,
the
filing
signature of
section-
the
The
affidavit.
filing section may have verified, they thought that it is 3 days. They computed it and found it to be 3 days.
A Mr. Advocate.
Yes. Yes, my junior man.
It is submit the learned counsel for the petitioner laid stress in his argument for ex parte disposal of this petition as the delay is for only 3 days and not for any fault of the petitioner. It is submitted that for the fault of advocate, the petitioner should not suffer. The petitioner was. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the engaged counsel for the petitioner was not aware that under section 19(2) of the Family Courts Act, appeal is expressly barred, and a revision petition has to be filed if the aggrieved revision petition has to be filed if a person is aggrieved by an order passed by the family court under chapter 9 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Full stop. Under section 124, everybody has to file revision only, be it family court or be it any other
But
court.
there are some notifications of the registry, my lord, which says that every order has to be appealed and it will be listed before division bench. But there is an exception for chapter 9. That is why the confusion arose, my lord. 2 notifications are
Before the
there.
division bench under the Family Courts Act.
Yes, that is why the confusion arose, my lord.
But that has to be a case of divorce.
Well, it says that every order, any order passed by a family court is appealable. And notification says that it will be listed before the division bench. But only the exception is this chapter 9.
It appears that there was no malafide on the part of the petitioner, full stop. No inaction is also deducible on the part of the petitioner, full stop. Sufficient grounds have been shown. Delay is hereby condoned, registry to register the connected
Criminal
revision petition.
My lord.
Very good, no?